Did you know you can export SMS and iMessages from the Mac Messages app without connecting your iPhone? With Messages Export Pro, you can save conversations as PDF, CSV, or plain text in just a few clicks. Here's how. First, download Messages Export Pro free from the App Store, then launch it on your Mac. Your conversations are automatically loaded from the Mac Messages database. Select a conversation to preview it. Then choose your export format, TXT, PDF, or CSV. TXT exports are completely free, while a single in-app purchase unlocks CSV for spreadsheets and PDF, which include your images. All export formats include important details such as sender information and timestamps. You can also save message attachments. Hover over a photo or other file, then click Copy to Mac. Ready to export your Mac messages? Download Messages Export Pro free from the Mac App Store today.